everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change password on Groupon. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Open your Groupon application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the My Stuff button at the bottom right hand corner. Once you end up in this page, go ahead and tap on the Change Password button under My Settings. Now, in the text boxes, you'll need to fill in your current password, new password you want to change to, and confirm the new password by retyping it again. Go to the first text box and type in your current password for your Groupon account. After entering your current password, head over to the new password field and type in the new password you would like to change to. In the confirm box, retyping the password one more time. Finally, tap on the Save button at the top right hand corner and you'll be able to change your password on Groupon. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.